Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about whether the burglars in Home Alone could sue Kevin for their injuries. Kevin could argue self-defense, but the law might see his traps as excessive, which could make him legally liable. Self-defense is a legal principle that allows you to use reasonable force to protect yourself or your property from harm. The key word here is reasonable. The law limits how much force you can use based on the threat you're facing. Kevin could argue that he was acting in self-defense because he was a child, home alone, and facing a real threat of harm from 2 burglars. Courts often give more leeway to people defending themselves in situations where they feel vulnerable or outnumbered. However, there's a catch. Self-defense laws usually only apply to force that's used in the moment to stop an immediate threat. Kevin's traps were premeditated. He set them up ahead of time, which means they weren't a direct, spontaneous reaction to the burglars breaking in. Well, what about excessive force? Here's where Kevin runs into trouble. The law generally prohibits using excessive force to protect property, even if someone is breaking the law. Setting booby traps like a blowtorch aimed at someone's head or nails on the floor could be considered excessive because these traps are designed to cause serious harm, not just stop the burglars. If this case went to court, a judge or jury would look at the seriousness of Kevin's threat that he faced, the level of force Kevin used, and whether Kevin's actions were reasonable for a child in that situation. The wet bandit's role in creating the dangerous situation. While Kevin might not face criminal charges because of his age and the circumstances, a civil lawsuit for damages could still be possible here. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.